Hi, I'm Lucy and I have Marfan syndrome, a rare and potentially serious connective tissue disorder that I was diagnosed with as a teenager. Marfan syndrome has a significant impact on my daily life, but it does not define who I am. I am still a unique individual with many hobbies, interests and passions. My life is medically challenging and some days are tough, but there is so much more to my life than my illnesses, and I try to focus on the things that bring me pleasure and give me a sense of purpose. I find joy in expressing myself through art and engaging in creative activity. I try my best to raise awareness of Marfan syndrome by speaking out about my chronic health conditions at every opportunity. This video is just a demonstration of some of the things I can do with my hands as a result of Marfan syndrome. I have way too much flexibility in my hands, and that's why I can bend them in ways that other people can't.